What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to change out the AC controls on a 2009 Toyota Venza. Now, this repair is actually fairly easy and doesn't require a lot of tools. The only tools you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a trim panel tool. Let's start off this repair by opening the center console. Next, grab your trim panel tool. In this video, I'm using a plastic trim panel tool so I don't damage or scratch anything else. If you guys don't have one, I'll put a link in the description below. Carefully pry the edges of this panel while pulling on it slightly till the panel pops off. It may take a couple pries, but just be careful not to damage those clips. Once removed, put to the side. Remove the one Phillips screw located at the bottom right of the AC controls with your Phillips screwdriver. While slightly pulling at the bottom of the AC controls, pry your way around and slowly pop that panel off. In the back of the controls, there will be a connector. Remove it by pushing down the tab while pulling it out. Grab your new AC controls and re-plug it in. Once it's reconnected, take your AC controls and put it back in its original position and push down firmly, ensuring that all the clips are clipped securely. Next, reinstall the Phillips screw with your Phillips screwdriver. Lastly, take your center console cover and reposition it in its original position. Make sure all the clips are lined up to its holes and push down firmly, making sure it's secured. Close the center console lid and then you guys are done. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to change out your AC controls on a 2009 Toyota Venza. If you guys enjoyed this video or just found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots.